Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to leave a like before you go, and always share with a friend. Those really do help out the channel a ton and allow me to continue to produce wonderful content. So today's product I want to share with you is a car or trunk organizer. It is by a company called NPET, and I'm going to include a link in the description that will take you to Amazon so you can check it out for yourself, see all the details, the price points, and everything like that. But we're going to go over everything you get, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it in the car so you guys can see the full setup. But before we go out and put this up in the car, I kind of want to go over some of the specs and everything you're going to get. So it's going to just come in a plain plastic bag, but it is a lot of stuff that you get. First off, this is the pouch. As you can see, it collapses nice and small. It has a buckle here to keep it from unfolding on you. But when you do unfold it, the overall size is 34 inches long by 14.3 inches deep and 11 inches tall. And one of the nice things about this is as you unfold it, you can unfold it in sections. So like if you only need 2 sections, you can do that. Or you can fold it all the way to the full 3 sections itself here. As you can kind of see briefly here in the front, it has these little mesh pouches. It does have a reflective strip here in case you are at night or something, you need to set this down outside and the lights will reflect off of it. So it's just a little extra safety thing. On the back side, it also has some more mesh pouches. And then on the end, you have 2 more pouches here. And then you have another pouch right there. So, like I said, we're going to take this out to the car so you can see it fully set up and everything. But another thing to kind of note that makes this a little nice and different is it comes with additional dividers. So you can continue to segregate up the inside pouches to smaller compartments if you so desire and wish. It also comes with a lid. So this will cover up 2 sections of it if you want to conceal what's hiding about it. And then another thing that is really nice is you have these on the bottom are these little plastic supports that kind of keep it from collapsing, and they are plastic, so they're easy to wash and easy to clean. They're not like a cheap cardboard that will break down over time. And so you get the 3 of these for the 3 different compartment sizes. And then finally, it also includes a cooler. So once again, this is also collapsible, and as you saw, it has a little handle here. And now you just kind of undo this, and the cooler size is 22.7 inches long by 10.5 inches deep and 14.7 inches tall. So you get a nice little cooler if you are transporting anything that needs to be kept cold or hot there. But yeah, so that's kind of the ins and outs. So let's run out to the car so you can see this all set up and how it looks in a back of car. All right, so as you can see, it fits nicely. I have here is an Acura RDX, and it basically takes up the whole back here. And then you can see the various compartments. Now, something I did want to mention, it includes these little hooks here, which you can make to any size, and essentially they connect right there, and that's going to keep it from sliding around. So a lot of cars here, let me see if I can capture that. You can see it set up there. A lot of cars have little attachments there, or you can attach it to the baby little section. But that's going to keep it from going all crazy and sliding around. And now that it's fully spread out here, you can kind of see the better setup for the buckles. So like if you only wanted 2 compartments, as you can see, there is a buckle on every single one. So that way it's not going to unfold on you while you are driving. So you have plenty of little setup and options there. Okay, so let's go over the next little setup here that I just did. As you can see right along here on the two sides is a Velcro section. This is on the front and back, and that is for the lid here. So if you want the lid option, bam, there you go. If not, just undo the Velcro, take that off, and you are good to go without the Velcro. And then in here, this middle one and the one over here have the Velcro also. This one does not. And that's so you can divide this up if you want to make a smaller compartment with the little flap. But once again, you can take this out. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do with one hand here, but yeah. So you can take that out. And then you have the big compartments. Now my cooler doesn't have anything in it, so it's kind of collapsing on me. But as you can see, the cooler fits perfectly in the spot here, and when it's fully extended, it basically sits like right there. But yeah, it's easy to take in and out. And so that's kind of the setup. That's everything that it has. It's very versatile, gives you a lot of options, which is why I like it, especially when getting groceries, because it keeps all that stuff from rolling around in your trunk and smashing into each other. But it doesn't take up the whole trunk. You have the front part here, so that way if you have bigger items, you can put them in the front, and you can put the smaller bags in the back. And yeah, that is basically the full setup. So all right, so now that you have seen it fully set up, like I said, there is a link in the description that will take you to Amazon if you want to check it out for yourself for the current price points. If there is something I didn't cover, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.